Actually, guys, a bloomer happened. The train which was coming first, it was a wrong train, and I expected that a new train will be coming, which was the train which was heading to south only, but it was a electric. Guys, here it is. Only one bag, and this is the RAC, and oh, nothing there. चाय ले लो.
हाँ चाय
एक ले दो.
और
गरम चाय 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 गाइस चाय. This चिक्की गाइस
चिक्की वाला लड़ा हुआ है चिक्की है
चिक्की वाले को गाइस. Okay, so at this situation, when I was recording this, the clouds were touching the mountain. It was feeling like that only, and due to this rainy seasons, we feel like that. Normally, this is seen in winters or sometime in the early mornings, but in at evening also it was a good sight to see. Guys, it's famous for vada paos. Let's have some vada pav taste. Finally, I think so. It's Karjat only, because like this were the vada pav, and vada pav is favorite of mine from Karjat. Let's see if vada pav wala comes to Karjat. Yep, it's Karjat. Now vada pav stall we will be getting. Let's go, man. It's like one vada pav piece is for 15 rupees, and 4 it costed 60 rupees. Now we are heading through the tunnels and all, and the next stop is Lonavala's. So we have spotted during this rainy season while traveling by train, there's a lot of picturesque moments and views. So here is a quick shot of it, and I was first not sure this is Khandala, but I got my doubts cleared.
not like you're in November, December, Jan also. It's like you're in September and you're getting fog.
So guys, this is Lonavala. I was just checking out, but it turned out to be Lonavala afterwards. It was full foggy weather. I hope you like the view. Vada pav wala and all. It's just near to the only, and I think so it's Lonavala and all. Getting down. Peace of mind, oh my god. We are very much close to the engine only. Guys, this is a 7 p.m. view outside, and I was expecting to be dark, but so finally
junction
arrived
only.
at Pune.
Don't
I hope
confuse.
you liked the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.